Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today we are going to do a quick 5-minute yoga flow. And this is just something that you can do in the mornings before you start your day to give you a quick energizing yoga session. So you won't need any props today. You can just grab your mat and we'll get started. So we're going to start at the top of the mat, the front of the mat, facing forward, standing tall, starting in mountain pose. Let's inhale as we reach the arms out and up. Exhale, reach the arms forward and down as you hinge at the hips, bringing the hands down, coming into your forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold, so upper body is parallel to the floor. Exhale, forward fold, hands down to the mat, step the right foot back, and then plant the right knee down, reach the arms up. Inhale. On the exhale, shift your weight forward, and then reach your arms back, coming into a low lunge, Anjaneyasana. Inhale, as you stand back up on that right knee, you're gonna tuck the right toes under, lift the back leg, and then returning to face the long edge of the mat, coming into a wide forward fold. Inhale, as you lift the head, lift the chest. Exhale, as you bring the head down towards the mat. Inhale, reaching the arms forward and up. Exhale, arms down by your side. Heel toe the feet in just slightly. And then we're just going to start to bend the right knee and start to come down to the mat. So once you're down, your right heel may come up a little bit. You can bring your hands down. And once you're down to the side in your side lunge, you can reach the left toes up. Start to feel that stretch in the inner thigh or inner thighs, both. And then plant that left foot. We're gonna come up and over to the left side, coming into a side lunge here, and then lifting those right toes up. And then coming back to our wide forward fold. Inhale, lift the head and chest. Exhale, head comes down towards the mat. And then we're going to turn our right foot out to the right. Lower the left knee as we face the back of the mat. Inhale as you reach the arms up. Exhale as you sink the hips forward, reach the arms back. Low lunge, feeling that stretch in the left thigh, in the quad. Inhale as you stand up. Exhale, bring the hands down to the mat, tuck the left toes under, lift the left knee, and then we're stepping forward to our forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, arms down. And we're going to do that all again to go back to the front of the mat. So starting in our mountain pose. Inhale as you bring the arms out and up. Exhale, coming forward and down to your forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Fingertips down, step the left foot back, and then plant the left knee down. Reach the arms up, inhale. Exhale, sink the hips forward, reach the arms back. Low lunge. Inhale as you stand up. Tuck the back toes under, lift that leg, and then we're coming into a wide forward fold. Inhale as you lift the head and the chest. Exhale, bring the head down towards the mat. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down. Heel toe the feet in. This time starting on the left side. Actually, starting on the right side. And then we're gonna come down, bring the hands down to the mat, draw the left toes up, feeling the stretch in the inner thighs. And then we're coming up and over to the left side. reaching the right toes up. Coming back to our wide forward fold. Inhale, lift the head and chest. Exhale, head down towards the mat. And then turning the left foot out to the left, bringing the right knee down. Inhale as you reach the arms up. Exhale as you sink the hips forward, reach the arms back. Coming into our back bend. Feeling the stretch in the right quad. And then inhale, reaching the arms up. Exhale, bring the hands down to the mat, tuck the right toes under, lift the right leg, and then step forward to your forward fold. Inhale, half forward fold. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, arms out and up. Exhale, arms down by your side. Thank you all for joining me today for this quick 5-minute yoga practice. I hope that you feel energized and rejuvenated and ready to start your day. I'll see you guys soon.